Being diagnosed with cancer can be devastating, but a new Stanford study featuring videos of patient experiences and experts shows that targeting the mindset can be just as critical as targeting the tumor. So why did you study the mindset for cancer in the first place?
In so many years of treating people with cancer, I've really paid attention to their suffering. And over these years, I've seen that people really suffer with so many things that perhaps they could be helped with. But we didn't have the tools to understand how we can prepare people for what most of the time is a very difficult process.
We have medications to treat cancer. But mindset is different. Why is mindset so important when you're going through cancer?
When you're faced with a cancer diagnosis, your whole way of thinking about life just gets opened up, right? And you're immediately asking, what does this mean for me, for my life going forward? So just as oncologists are working rigorously to develop highly precise treatments, psychologists are working to figure out how can we more precisely target specific mindsets, specific aspects of our psychology that if you can change those, the whole game changes.
How do these videos change the mindset?
So what we did is we brought in former cancer patients, people who have survived and gone through cancer treatment, and we get them to share their stories.
What happens is an enormous amount of your energy, enormous amount of your capability to fight the disease is redirected in the wrong way.
Together, we found a mindset that did help us tremendously to enjoy, even during chemo.
I turned that frustration and anger and feeling of despair into something that can be productive.
Deal with it and come out of it, because there's something beautiful on the other side of it.
When people accomplished that, when they were able to shift their mindset, they also reported less physical suffering. And it works together. It works together with the best cancer treatment, but it opens up a whole other way of understanding how we can get people through treatments.
It's the medicine and the mindset. If we can optimize those both together, what are the compound effects on treatment outcomes?
It's the better medicine, the more precise medicine, but also the most tailored, targeted, efficient, supportive therapy. This is one that has been underexplored and is incredibly promising.